好啦，我哋嚟到 Happy Bakery 快樂麵包。I love this name because 佢哋啲麵包好好食，所以好快樂。I just love their cakes. It's a very traditional Hong Kong bakery. 係咪香港傳統嘅麵包鋪嚟㗎？呢度喺1977年就喺度啦。我睇下今日揀咩先。嗱，呢度有雞批 chicken pies、mochi 芋頭啊，mochi 芋頭葡撻，有蛋撻。啊，蛋撻幾靚！婆婆好中意食蛋撻㗎，呢個酥皮。嗱，姨媽就中意食呢個嘅啫，餅皮蛋撻。呢個係 puff pastry，I don't really like it. This is like cookie pastry. 啊，就 cookie one。咧，我應該引到嘢俾太婆啦，太婆呢啲都好中意食㗎，但唔可以太甜。上一次姨媽好似買個紅豆餅俾佢，可能今日試下買芋頭酥俾太婆食咯，好冇？嗱，公公咧就最中意食椰撻啦。椰撻係 coconut pie，coconut sauce 嘅。老婆餅都好食㗎，全部都好食。阿姨媽中意食嗰啲就係呢邊。嗱，呢度咧有好多唔同蛋糕仔。嗱，呢個咧就係公公最中意㗎啦，都係呢個咧果醬蛋糕，呢個係開心果荔枝玫瑰。哦，嗱，姨媽想要咖啡味，I like the coffee one。咁我哋入去買一個啦，好唔好？嗱，你睇下你會揀邊個？你會想食邊個蛋糕仔啊？係咪會想食朱古力嗰個？係咪啊？好啦，入去睇下其他麵包好唔好？好快睇一睇啦，跟住姨媽就買咗蛋糕仔。OK，I don't wanna bother people's business。但而家唔係太忙，有好多蛋糕仔啦。咁咧呢度又攞一個鉗同埋一個 tray，and you can put your bread on the tray， 擺喺個盤度，梗係俾錢啦。人哋揸住一個盤咯，係咪？咁啊夾咗你想要麵包。哇！呢個係咩啊？菠蘿包係咪哥哥最中意嘅菠蘿包 ？And then there's a huge stick of butter inside， 係咪嗰個菠蘿油啦？咁所以叫做。跟住咧，其實呢邊都好。嗱，婆婆就好中意食呢個啦，椰絲奶油包。都係好傳統㗎，好好食㗎。姨媽細個就好中意食紙包蛋糕嘅，特別病嗰陣食紙包蛋糕又細細好舒服。呢啲有少少似 cannoli，but anyways，they're just cream puffs in a horn shape. They're very yummy too。可能第時你翻嚟香港可以嚟到試下，好唔好？好，咁姨媽專心啲先啦，全部 slice bread 就擺喺上面嘅 toast。OK， 姨媽專心啲買個蛋糕先，好冇？好啦。啊，唔該，要一個芋頭酥同埋一個咖啡蛋糕。唔該。俾八達通啦，唔該。You pay with half of this, and then she's gonna get it. 個鉗 ，she'll put in the bag. 好，唔該。And then she'll have to go get the cake for me because it's in the other fridge。咁呢嗰度有飲品。咖啡味嗰個係咪？係，唔該。睇下係夾先。She's gonna open the door. Hey, where'd she go? I can't see her. Oh, there she is. She's getting my cake. Yay! 唔該晒，麻煩晒 ，Thank you。好啦，記得喎，買完嘢人哋俾咗你要講咩啊？唔該，知唔知啊？好啦，姨媽買咗我個蛋糕啦，然後又有芋頭酥俾太婆，係咪啊？好 ，OK，successful trip with lots of yummy food. Okay, love you.